Yeah, you're welcome to Frank Biz. Okay, right now, I want to show you the basics. Okay, I'm going to show you the basics on how to make beautiful styles, the skills you need to know. Okay, so before you make beautiful styles, before you start weaving, before you start braiding, before you start twisting, before you start making different beautiful hairstyles, you need to know certain things as far as hair is concerned. Okay, as far as hairstyling is concerned, you need to know certain things. So what I'm going to do now is to show you the basics. Okay, what you need to know, okay, before you start acquiring the skills, before you start weaving, before you start braiding, before you start fixing and the likes. So as far as hairstyling is concerned, there are so many things you need to know. This course is designed such a way that you are going to acquire so many skills to make beautiful hairstyles. Okay, and that's what this course is all about. But for you to do that, as far as hairstyling is concerned, there are so many things that are very, very important, and one of such things is the comb. Okay, the comb is very, very important. We have different kinds of comb. We have big comb, we have cotton comb, we have tail comb, we have hand comb. So with me here is the cotton comb, this is the cotton comb, and this is a big comb. Okay, so we are going to be making use of these two as we proceed. So the cotton comb, we use it to part the hair. You can see this is much, so we use it to cut it into smaller parts, and we also use it to give the hairstyle you want to make the right shape. Okay, so you use it to give the hairstyle the right shape. It also helps you to give the style the direction. So it helps you to get the direction you want to go. Okay, so anywhere, any direction you want to go, that is where you use this cotton comb to parts. Okay, so, and apart from that, we also make use of this cotton comb to loose the hair. Okay, so if you have one weaving style or the other, or braiding or twisting, you can make use of the cotton comb to lose the hair. So when you use this cotton comb to put it into different parts to part the hair, you can make use of any of these. Okay, so if you make use of the big one and it's not still neat, you can make use of the second to make it neat, and even the third. So that is it. You can make use of any of it. So, and the big comb, we use this to comb the hair. Okay, for you to comb the hair. Okay, so please, when you are combing, you comb the two sides. Okay, you comb the two sides. You comb this side, and you also comb the other side. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. So you must make sure that you always have that in mind. You comb the two sides, and also this also is very, very important. We call it the dummy. Okay, this is called dummy. So you need this to practice. Okay, what you do with this is you practice. With this, you can be able to practice to make beautiful hairstyles, to do one or two things. And even when you make mistakes, this will never complain. Okay, so you may not find it very easy for you to get someone out there to let you practice with her hair. Okay, so but with this, you can do anything. You can practice, you can even make mistakes and you still correct it. So this also is very, very important. And apart from this, we also have this. We call it ovation books. So you get more styles when you get this. Okay, there are so many styles: braiding, twisting, even local styles, DD styles, and even fixing. Okay, so you have different styles. So this also is very, very important. Very, very important as far as hairstyling is concerned. You need this to, as far as getting the skills and making beautiful hair is concerned. There are latest styles that you get when you have this. So this is very, very important. Also, we also have this. It is called attachments. Okay, we have this is called attachment. What do you use attachments to do? Okay, we make use of attachments if we want to make the particular hairstyle you want to make, if you want to make it longer. Okay, so if you notice that the ordinary hair, like something like this, is not going to be enough to make that particular style, you can make use of the attachment, okay, to make it longer. Okay, and another thing the attachment also does is that it makes the hairstyle last longer. Okay, so when you make use of the ordinary hair to make one style or the other, it may not last longer like when you make use of attachment. And another thing is the wool. This is the wool. It's more or less like attachment. The way you use your attachment is also the same way you use your wool. Okay, and it performs the same function. Okay, so when you make use of either your attachment or wool, the hairstyle lasts longer than when you make use of the ordinary hair, and it also adds more beauty to the hair. Okay, when you make use of attachment or wool, it adds more beauty to it. Okay, so these are the things you need to know. So apart from that, we also have the wool. Okay, we have the apart from this, we also have the wave on. Okay, this is called wave on. This is called wave on. We use this in our fixing. It has different colors. Okay, it has, as you can see, it has different colors, and we have big wave on. We also have short wave on. We also have long wave on. So this is short wave on. Okay, so there are different colors, as you can see. We have black, we have brown. They have different colors. Even the attachments also have different colors. So all these things are very, very important that you know them. So, and apart from that, you also need your scissors. Okay, when you are making your hair, you may need your scissors to trim, or even after making one particular hair style or the other, you need scissors to trim, or even razor blade. So it's very, very important that you get all this. And even when you are fixing, you need thread and needle. This is needle and this is thread. You make use of black thread. So all these things are very, very important. And I tell you, this course, all I'm going to be giving you here, there are skills that without even going to the salon, you can make beautiful hairstyles on your own without going to the salon. Okay, so you can do it at home, you can do it anywhere else. And that is why everything you need is what I've shown you now. Okay, so now let's talk about the maintenance of the hair. When you are doing one hairstyle or the other, after making the beautiful hairstyle, you need to be very careful. Okay, you may need to always cover it to avoid dust, and most especially water. Okay, so don't let water pour, or don't allow water to touch that hair. Okay, so that it won't start smelling, or so that it won't damage the beauty. Okay, so you need to be very, very careful of that. And you may also need to get hair cream and hair treatment cream, most especially if you need to treat the hair. Maybe you have one thing or the other to treat. Okay, you can get anti-dandruff cream, you can get hair treatment cream. Okay, so all these things are things that you need to know about the hairstyling. So these are the basics that you need to know. Thank you so much.